All right, so you're in biochem, you're looking at the side chains of the amino acids, you're trying to figure out the charge. So first of all, know the side chain groups that you're looking for. Now, remember that acids are going to deprotonate, become negative. Bases, protonate, become positive. Now keep this simple trick in mind. So whenever the pKa is less than the pH, it's going to deprotonate. Whenever the pH is less than the pKa, it's going to protonate. So now this is what it looks like for the acids and bases because they're a little bit different. All right, so like I said earlier, negatively charged acids are going to occur whenever it's deprotonated. Now, whenever it's protonated, the base is going to be positively charged. All right, so when pH is neutral, you're going to have this clear division of negative and positive species. But as pH gets increased, you're going to have more negative and less positive because more things are going to be less than that pH. Whereas whenever pH gets lower, you're going to have more positive species because there's going to be more things that are higher than that pH so they're going to be protonated. All right, now you guys know it. Let's chase 40 with GamePlan for your academics.